tell me the story behind the van here.
I bought that brand new 75.
You bought the van brand.
Bike.
Is there the shag carpet in the back?
I got
Oh,
my
yeah.
junk in there.
Oh, I gotta climb in here.
I-
It's a time capsule to your teenage years.
Yeah. I was like 75. I'm 55.
It's Tricky Ricky's van. Watch out, all.
Here's that one
Feast your
that
eyes.
you got from Pat. Right, which one? Right here. Oh, right here.
I got it all cleaned up.
Yeah, I was trying to-
Run good.
I was trying to tell.
My old TT bike, 1959 or 70 Yamaha,
Yeah,
1959 AJL motocross bike.
yeah,
That yellow one.
yeah. Which bike is your favorite out of every one of these?
But come here
Well, I can't get through that. That one right there, I think that's a cool bike.
right now.
But this is your favorite bike.
That 57. I used to be a biker. I
Yeah.
used to hang out there outside. I have 3 of these.
So what? This got an SS motor in it. And
Yeah, SS motor, 57 Chevy hood with the SS carburetor, top end SS. I get a lot of head turning.
All right.
Movie out here.
Oh yeah, trying to. Oh my gosh.
Have a motorcycle sale someday.
Yeah.
All these bikes. How much do you think you have wrapped up just in bikes?
How much I got into?
Yeah, just buying all these.
$500,000.
$500,000 in
Yeah.
in bikes. $500,000.
I always wanted a Camaro. This is my 4th one.
This is your 4th Camaro?
Yeah. And I
What is your favorite color out of all these?
what's my favorite car?
Yeah, color.
Inside.
Color.
Gray.
Gray. Primer gray he likes.
I didn't like this paint job. Look at it. I got a $4,000 paint job. Look at it. I don't understand why we put Bondo up here. But it's the same way in this guy, too.
Summertime, and the living's easy. Riders on the microphone with Ross MG. All the people in the dance will agree that we're well qualified to represent the LBC.
Did you get the name?
Tricky Ricky?
Yeah.
From a biker gang.
Yeah. And
I want riding with the outside. I supposed to go get some firewood.
yeah,
That was good looking. I had a beard like you.
yeah,
And his girlfriend, his wife, fell in love with me. You know,
yeah.
I went out to get some firewood, and she followed me out there. We never even came back about 2 hours later, and I brought back a 1 piece of wood.
Yeah.
That was very tricky, and then I played cards with him. I'm tricky, you know. I'm just,
That's Tricky Ricky after that. that's funny.
this is my favorite truck, but now it's getting ruined. Someone threw back hot
See
top.
this?
What year is this one?
That's
55.
gasoline.
55?
That's my favorite year.
Yeah.
I got 4 of them.
Okay? When we brought it. When
I did this one.
You know, back over here, look, it didn't start to catch fire on the way over here. Really? Yeah. It was like
You like
there,
the?
and it came all the way here.
Tack and roll.
Big
I
old
love
hole.
I'm gonna make him give me this one. This one mandatory.
So that one had a hole in the gas tank.
That's
it. No, it didn't have a hole.
No.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, she said, yeah.
Oh.
Look at he's going, oh. Yeah.
Tricky Ricky has done it again. He's
That's nothing.
doesn't, but I think he should give me at least one car. Yeah.
Dog color pot, Mom.
Yeah, that's full of.
Okay, we're gonna give it a try. This is gonna get a little sketchy.
There he goes. Okay, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna go to this next light. We're gonna turn right.
At the light?
Yeah. Old? Excuse me, but Wade. Oh man, you're scaring me. Scaring me.
This thing. Hey, where do I turn next?
Ah, scaring me. Okay, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna turn right at the next block. Right where that guy did.
Right here?
Yeah. Huh?
Now where?
You just go straight.
Down that main road, then it cuts
Yeah,
back?
yeah. Oh yeah, be careful. You'll lose it.
This feels like a wild animal you're trying to like,
Yeah, tame?
yeah.
Well, it's untamable. Believe.
The Carmen Gia?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Don't get caught for speeding.
Looking back on the track for a little greenback. I gotta find just a guy, or I'm losing my mind. Out of sight in the night.